I like for you to be still. It is as though you were absent, and you hear me from far away, and my voice does not touch you.
It seems as though your eyes have flown away, and it seems that a kiss has sealed your mouth.
As all things are filled with my soul, you emerge from the things filled with my soul. You are like my soul, a butterfly of dreams, and you are like the word melancholy. I like for you to be still, and you seem far away. It sounds so you are lamenting, a butterfly queen like a dove, and you hear me from far away, and my voice does not touch you. Let me come to be still in your silence, and let me talk to you with your silence. That's bright as love, simple as the rain. You're like the night with stillness and consternations. Your silence is that of a star as remote and candid